mas naiintindihan ko talaga yung civil procedure. Para nung college kasi meron,
Talaga?
meron kasi
May Civ Pro na.
Hindi ko talaga siya maintindihan. Tapos mas na-appreciate ko talaga yung civil procedure dahil sa
Thank you.
Happy birthday po, Attorney. So, just a little background, nalaman ko before with my former boss, you were Dodo po at Attorney Julius as the power couple po of college.
Galing kanino yan? Ah, secret.
Very inspiring po na up until now, you can balance your personal lives and then yung sa law field. Kaya very inspiring po. And guys, check nyo na yung page na Know Your Rights Lawyer. Kaya Attorney
Philippines.
So next we have Mr. Malila. Enjoy your day. Thank you for your patience and tolerance. Lagi ko yung nagtatayo. Once daw sa pagiging magaling mo.
Talaga ba?
Next we have Miss Diego Gomez.
Yeah.
Hi, Attorney. That's why I texted you to class because we missed you. But today, don't just celebrate another year of your life, but we also celebrate the wisdom, your patience, and the passion that you shared to us. And of course, we thank you for being more than a teacher to us, a mentor, even as mga kailan dito, diba? Nag-prepare for your class. So, thank you very much and happy birthday.
So happy birthday.
Life full of joy and happiness.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, sir. Siguro picture na mo na pa. Wait lang.
Using alak method dito man.
Oh. When you have a goal, learn it from someone who's been there. Excellence is necessary in the study and practice of law. The ability to correctly analyze situations, apply correct conditions, and understand law requires excellence. If excellence is an embodiment of a person, excellence would be you. Thank you for inspiring us with your lessons, insights, and pieces of advice. In our study of Civil Procedure 1, you are an indispensable part. Civil Procedure has been fun, easy, and memorable because of you. Memorable mo talaga kasi yung mga acronyms, flowcharts, and strategies that you give us help us both in recitations and examinations. Today, we celebrate your birthday with gifts, but every Monday to Wednesday, we're thankful for the gifts we receive. Yung dedication niyo po sa pagturo at yung wisdom po. Kaya we'd like to greet you a Happy Birthday! Birthday po.
Thank you. I love your speech.
Our second speaker.
Okay. This is my second time po as a BDel here in law school. And I can say that thank you po, Attorney, for being our instructor and being good at teaching po in Cipro 1. And as someone who had a little background in remedial law from my undergraduate program, napatuloy ko talaga ang pagkakagusto kong matutunan ang remedial law when I enrolled in your classroom. And it is my, kumbaga, it is my parang duty and honor na maging leader of Block A for your subject. So, again, happy birthday po and enjoy.
Prior background about Attorney Moran before going here in this classroom. I have heard from other people that she's excellent. I have heard from other people on the other hand that she's strict. But going and entering into this class, I am simply thankful that even though it's somehow both in a way, there's excellence, there's also a little bit of strictness. But nonetheless, it's an opportunity, every day is an opportunity to learn. And every day has always been a meaningful experience learning in this class. So, just a third one, thank you, Attorney Moran, and also looking forward in our interactions since I'm also part of bar operator.
Yes.
And also recruiting for bar operators.
Oh, may class kapag nag-join. Nag-volunteer. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Garcia.
Good evening, everyone. Before the start of the second sem, naririnig ko sa mga upper class tsaka sa mga ibang law students na mahirap daw talaga yung civil procedure. So, before entering this class, may notion na sa akin na mahirap siya. Pero since our instructor is Ma'am Moran, na-realize ko na hindi naman pala talaga sa mahirap siya, pero depende rin talaga sa magtuturo. So the way with her approach to teaching is very napadali talaga yung understanding sa civil procedure with regards to the flow charts, to the mnemonics, and all of that. Mas na-appreciate ko yung it opened my eyes to the beauty of religion.
The beauty of God.
Thank you po, ma'am, and happy birthday po.
Thank you. Ano?
So at first, nakita ko si ma'am, first day, sabi ko, maganda si ma'am. So, on the other hand, na-intimidate ako ng first day kasi sabi ko, first day pa lang, recitation agad. Wala pa yung laylo muna. Tapos yun, sabi ko, alam ba, mahuhuli ako sa class kasi full-time din kasi ako full-time working. Kasi sobrang hassle talagang work ko. So, yan, sabi ko, baka di ako makahabol. So, ang everyday, sabi ko, ang gagaling talaga. Pero tinatry ko yung best ko na makahabol kasi nagbabasa naman ako ng libro. Tapos nakita ko si ma'am na, very patient naman siya sa kada isa. Kumbaga, inaantay niya yung pacing natin na makasunod sa class. Di naman siya yung nag-uubliga na dapat alam mo na to, dapat alam mo na to. Tatanungin ka niya, pero pag alam na hindi namin alam, magtatawag ka ng iba. So, doon pa lang, nakakahinga na kami. So, on my part, sabi ko, di ko na ito i-drop. Dami kasi mong nag-drop ko eh.
Yeah.
So, dami nawala dito. Tapos sabi ko, so, yung sabi ko, magdadrop ako, tatakbuhan ko ang ganong professor or strict on ganyan. Sabi ko, paano ako maging abogado niyan kung hindi ko haharapin? Kasi hindi ko mapapili ang taong makaharap ko, di ba? So yan. So na-inspired ako kasi Block A. Usually, dito yung mga gagaling eh. Sabi ko, baka kahit pa paano mahila ako. Kahit pa paano mahila ako kasi pag chill lang din ng classmate mo, chill ka lang din, di ba? Pero pag ang classmate mo is sobrang din, mapaprefer ka din na gumawa ng mga dapat gawin at yung effort mo din. So, kahit pa paano, nakahinga-hinga as the day pass by. Tapos si ma'am, lagi nang nakangiti. kahit yung ngiti ko kalahati na lang. Pero okay na pala, nagpabalik-balik na. Nagtataka ako kasi di nagagalit sa akin si ma'am pag nag-joke ako. Kasi may time kasi hindi nag-joke ako tapos seryoso si ma'am. Pero hindi niya pinapansin kung hindi siya nagalit. So, okay, baka di pa napintuan sa akin si ma'am. Pero wala.
Malapit na.
So yun, I'm so thankful ma'am na you become part of this law school journey sa maybe someday magkita-kita tayo, abogado na tayo. And ipapaalala ko sa iyo kung anong naging contribution mo sa pagiging law student and law journey. That's it. Thank you.
Summary ah.
is not easy. At least for me, in my personal experience. And I admit it that though I'm not that good in class, but every time that I set foot in this class, I feel the pressure of being called recitation, honestly, since it has a lot of, great impacts on me. Though I don't know how to make it properly what the other guys did. But I'm still being optimistic, hopeful, and thankful, and as well as grateful in my heart that although despite I experienced a lot of difficulties and it is not certain whether I will pass or not, but I believe that it is a everyday great opportunity, and this is a life-changing journey, not just for me but also in my class or for us, because this is a starting point, our battle which start to begin. And I believe that it's not just a preparation, it is also a reflection in our life and in ourselves, for example, since once we live these four corners of the room, for example, and when it is the perfect time that we become older, then all the learnings and hardships and as well as the struggles that we encounter, all of them will become memorable and legendary. And thank you very much, Attorney, for your heartfelt teaching and for your delivering of your expertise and knowledge to the class that will mark pivotal journey in our law school. And me and we are my lucky students, we appreciate you with the heart, and thank you very much po, and may you have wonderful years. Happy birthday.
Medyo sabi nga ni Sir Gonzales sa first day of the class, medyo na-pressure din ako kasi ako yung unang natawag.
Kaya maaalala mo talaga yun kasi ikaw muna.
So, isa lesson na rin po sabi nga, study lang po talaga. Kasi pinasok ko yung law school, so isa graduate day talaga. So, thankful din ako sa mga classmates and thank you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ano gusto niyo? Coke or Pepsi?
Ay!
Sorry, wala.